I have created a demo report which shows the result of the customer classification. Some customer information are displayed on the left side, and at the far right is the column with the classification category. Now let's have a look at the code behind this call. It is an AMDP class. We can see the types and method definition. In the class implementation, the classification is implemented as an AMDP method. As extension provider, I will enable a modification-free enhancement of this method using BAdI. For that, I have to go to transaction SA20 and first create an enhancement spot. Having done that, I now have to create a BAdI definition. Here I have to select the new option AMDP BAdI. For this demo, I will create a single-use BAdI. I don't yet have a BAdI interface to specify, so I have to create one. As you can see, the mandatory BAdI interface is already specified in the created template. Also mandatory in case of AMDP BAdI is the specification of the AMDP marker interface. I will just copy the relevant information such as the AMDP marker interface and the method definition from the demo class and will paste it into my AMDP BAdI interface. In addition, I'm changing the name of the interface method so you can easily recognize the different calls during the demo. I can now save and activate the interface. Let's go back to the BAdI definition. We are not yet ready because the specification of the Fallback class is mandatory for AMDP BAdI. The Fallback class is called if there is no active BAdI implementation. I have not yet created one, so let's just do it right now. As you can see, all the relevant interfaces are already specified in the template. I now have to implement the method, and for that, I will just copy and paste the logic from the main demo class. I can now save and activate the class. I'm through with the Fallback class and can now go back and activate my BAdI definition. As an extension provider, I could have also provided some BAdI implementations. The BAdI does not do anything right now. I need to call it somewhere in my code. For that, let's go back to the main demo class and replace the default classification logic by the BAdI invocation. I've prepared a code template for this purpose. As you can see, the AMDP BAdI call is syntactically analog to the call of an AMDP procedure. It must also be declared after the method addition using. Let's run the demo report again as a test. Cool, it works as before. So I'm through with my task as extension provider. I will now take over the role of the extension consumer and will provide my own custom implementation of the classification. For that, I have to provide an implementation class which fulfills the extension contract by implementing the specific AMDP BAdI interface. For this demo, I will simply copy the Fallback class and change the values of the category field in the method implementation. I have also prepared a code template for this purpose. The implementation could have been totally different, by, for example, making use of other AMDP methods or ABAP dictionary objects, and even making use of HANA native functions. I can now save and activate my implementation class. The next step for me as an extension consumer is to create an appropriate BAdI implementation in the BAdI definition. So let's go back to the Enhancement Spot and create the BAdI implementation into the BAdI definition. In the creation dialog, I have to provide a name and a description for the BAdI implementation and specify the name of the implementation class I just created. I can now save and activate the BAdI and make sure that the BAdI implementation is active and will be called. So I'm through now, and I can execute the demo report for the last time and check the result of the classification. As we can see, the new classification values are displayed in the category column, which means the custom implementation has been executed. This is the end of the demo.